Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Know your Android version and exact device model because hardware decoders differ. Next, install a robust player and a file manager so you can test files and inspect codecs. Once done, copy a problematic video to internal storage and open it in the player to get codec info. Make sure to note the container, codec name, and audio format. That information directs whether you need a software decoder, a transcoding step, or a codec pack. You should first try a player that supports software decoding. It often plays unsupported codecs without changes. If playback still fails or battery use is unacceptable, transcode the file to a supported codec like H.264 using Handbrake or FFmpeg on a PC. Once done, choose a container like MP4 and set audio to AAC. If you prefer on-device conversion, use a mobile transcoder app, but make sure to enable hardware acceleration only if your device explicitly lists that codec. Otherwise, stick with software. You finish by validating playback. Watch the full clip to confirm audio sync and subtitles and check performance. If you still hit errors, clear the player cache, update the app and system firmware, then retest with an alternate player. Once done, collect codec info and error messages. They help when adjusting FFmpeg flags or bitrate. If conversion fails repeatedly, lower bitrate or change GOP size and re-export. For stubborn cases, provide codec logs to a support forum or technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.